Welcome. This is the half treble crochet stitch in UK terminology. It has a good stretch in both directions and is a slightly loose but stable stitch. Here is a close-up look of the stitches. In the red circle is one stitch, and in the green circle is a stitch from the row above. When in written patterns, it appears as HTR, sometimes with a number in front of it, which lets you know how many of the stitch to complete. When seen in a charted pattern, the stitch will most likely be shown as an elongated T, but check your pattern's key to be sure. Now let's learn the stitch. Yarn over your hook and then push it through the stitch. Yarn over and pull back through. Yarn over and pull through all of the loops on your hook. Let's do that again. Yarn over and push through the next stitch. Yarn over and pull back through. Yarn over and pull through all of the loops on your hook. At the end of your row, you could do a turning chain of 2 before starting your next row.